It's really hot today. I feel like I have no energy at all.
I know, right? The heat is so intense. Even sitting still feels uncomfortable.
I tried to do some work earlier, but I couldn't focus for more than 10 minutes.
Same here. My mind just feels slow. It's like the heat is draining all my energy.
Do you ever feel bored when it's this hot?
All the time. It's like I don't want to go outside, but staying inside isn't fun either.
Exactly. I just keep moving from one thing to another and nothing feels interesting.
Yeah, I open my phone, scroll for a bit, then put it down again. It doesn't help.
I even tried watching a movie, but I couldn't pay attention.
That happens to me too. The heat makes everything feel tiring.
I think hot weather really affects our mood.
Definitely. I feel more lazy and less motivated to do anything.
I wish it would rain. Even a short rain would make a big difference.
Yes, rain would cool things down and the air would feel fresh again.
Right now, the air feels so heavy. It's hard to breathe sometimes.
And there's no wind at all. That makes it worse.
I've been sweating all day. It's so uncomfortable.
Same here. I feel like I need a shower every hour.
Do you use air conditioning a lot?
Sometimes, but I try not to depend on it too much.
Yeah, I feel the same. Also, when you go outside after being in air conditioning, it feels even hotter.
Exactly. The temperature difference is too big.
So what do you usually do to deal with this kind of weather?
I try to keep things simple. I don't force myself to do too much.
That's a good idea. I think I try too hard to be productive.
Yeah, sometimes it's okay to slow down, especially in this heat.
I've also been listening to music more these days.
Same here. Music helps me relax.
What kind of music do you like when it's hot?
Usually something slow and calm. It helps me feel less stressed.
I like that too. Loud music feels too much in this weather.
Exactly. I just want something peaceful.
Do you watch movies when you're bored?
Yes, but I prefer light and funny movies.
Same. I don't want to watch anything too serious.
Yeah, I don't have the energy to think too much.
Sometimes I try to read a book, but I get sleepy.
That happens to me too. The heat makes me feel drowsy.
Do you take naps during the day?
Yes, especially in the afternoon.
Me too. Even a short nap can help.
But if I sleep too long, I wake up feeling even more tired.
That's true. It's better to keep it short.
What about food? Do you feel like eating less?
Yes, I don't feel very hungry in this weather.
Same here. I prefer lighter meals.
Cold drinks help a lot, though.
Definitely. I drink a lot of cold water and juice.
Do you like iced coffee?
Yes, I have it almost every day.
And ice cream?
Of course, ice cream makes everything better.
Yesterday, I tried going outside around noon.
That sounds like a bad idea already.
It was. The sun was so strong.
What happened?
I walked for a few minutes and then went straight back home.
I would do the same.
I felt like I was melting.
That's exactly how I feel these days.
Maybe we should change our daily routine.
How?
Do important things in the morning or evening.
That makes sense. It's much cooler then.
And rest during the hottest part of the day.
Yeah, that's probably the best way to handle it.
We don't have to do everything at once.
Exactly. Small steps are enough.
I've also been trying to learn a little English every day.
That's great. Even a little practice helps.
Sometimes I just listen to short lessons or podcasts.
That's a smart way to use your time.
It feels good to do something useful, even in hot weather.
Yes, it gives you a sense of progress.
But at the same time, we shouldn't push ourselves too hard.
I agree. Balance is important.
The most important thing is to stay comfortable.
And stay hydrated.
Yes, drinking enough water is very important.
Otherwise, you feel even more tired and weak.
Even though the weather is hot, we should try to stay positive.
Yeah, the heat won't last forever.
That's true. The weather will eventually change.
Until then, we just need to adjust.
Find simple ways to stay relaxed and comfortable.
And not stress too much about being bored.
Sometimes it's okay to just rest.
Exactly. Resting is also important.
All right, I think I'll watch something light and relax.
Sounds like a good plan.
What about you?
I'll probably listen to music and maybe take a short nap.
That sounds perfect for this weather.
Yeah, just taking it easy.
All right, let's try to enjoy the day, even if it's hot.
Yes, stay cool and take care.
Talk to you later.
See ya.